And thanks so much for sticking around to hear about the Jill Sander Olfactory Series 1 fragrances. There's 6 of them that she or her brand has launched. So I wore a Jill Sander fragrance in 2001. Really loved it. It was this kind of a round bottle that kind of, if you had it sit, it kind of is like sideways or something. Really loved that fragrance. Wore like one bottle and then ended up with another bottle. Loved it. But then I kind of couldn't find Jill Sander fragrances much anywhere. And same thing now. I don't see the fragrances anywhere in the stores that I visit, and it seems like it's more of a European brand and also kind of Germany in that area. If you've gotten your noses on these fragrances, the Olfactory Series 1 fragrances, let us know. There's 6 fragrances, the first of which is called Black Tea. I'm talking a lot about tea fragrances in today's video. This one's created by Nathalie Lorson. It's Sri Lankan cinnamon, Chine Osmanthus, or maybe like Chinese Osmanthus, and Black Tea CO2. I do enjoy I do enjoy tea or black tea fragrances or green tea fragrances. I just find them very cozy and smooth, but they're not like the fragrances that I'm always seeking out, but I do enjoy them. They smell great to me. Your thoughts on tea fragrances? Do you like black tea, green tea, red tea, white tea? There's so many out there. Add a comment below. So the second fragrance is COFFEA. It's coffee. I don't know how they spelled this. I don't know if it's a twist on something, but the second one is called COFFEA, COFFEA. It's created by Paul Guerlain, who I really enjoy his creations. He works at IFF. This is Orris root, coffee CO2, El Salvadorian Peru balsam. So balsamic, coffee, and iris. Is it going to smell like Dior Homme or Dior Homme Parfum and Intense? Kind of sounds like it to me. The next one's called Earth, created by Julie Masse. It's French rose, Centifolia, Damask rose, Patchouli CO2. What do you guys think of this one? Does it sound great to you? I really want to get my nose on these because I love the bottles of Jill Sander fragrances, and these bottles look great. Comes with this kind of lid, but I don't know if that's for display only or do the bottles come with this kind of like a cover for them. But the next one is called Leaf. This is also by Julie Masse. It's key lime, cardamom CO2, and corn mint. Notes I haven't seen before. I'm really liking the minimalistic quality of these and the ideas of these fragrances. They do seem simplistic though. As simplistic as the Gucci Alchemist Garden. So I want the fragrances to be a bit more complex than the way they sound, unfortunately. So will they be complex? I don't know. But the next one is called MIEL, which I think translates to honey. And this is created by Mathilde Bijaoui. This is Jasminum, Grandiflorum, CO2, Cedarwood, and Madagascan Vetiver. But where is the honey? Is it a honey fragrance? I think MIEL is honey, right? I'm doubting myself, but I think that is the word for honey in French, I think. So this one, I'm not sure what to expect. Maybe they're pulling out the honey touches from the jasmine note. It's Jasminum Grandiflorum. Who knows? But if you've gotten your nose on this one, add a comment. Let us know what your thoughts are and what it smells like. And the last fragrance, the 6th fragrance, is called Smoke. There's already a smoke fragrance from Acro. It's my favorite Acro. So why are they calling this Smoke? Don't they know that kind of causes confusion? This is created by a perfumer by the name of Bérénice Watteau. I don't know who this perfumer is whatsoever. This is Elemi Resin, Cedarwood, Spanish Cade. This one sounds extremely masculine, or the most masculine fragrance. And it features Elemi resin, which is spicy, peppery, piney, resinous, and lemony citrusy. Stay tuned for an Elemi resin fragrances video, guys. I shot it, and it should air within the next couple of weeks while I'm traveling. And you can learn all about Elemi. And this, like I said, this fragrance sounds the smokiest and the pepperiest. So woody, spicy, peppery, citrusy. Cade is always smoky anyway. So which of the fragrances sounds the best to you? The tea, the COFFEA, the earth, leaf, miel, smoke? For me, the COFFEA, for sure. The earth sounds like it's a chypre style because it's rose and patchouli. Leaf sounds great to me. And then, of course, smoke. Maybe the tea as well. The one that I'm doubting is miel, which I'm not 100% sure about. But I can't really say much about them except tell you what the notes breakdowns are until I get my nose on them. And since I'm traveling to that part of the world where the brand comes from, I hope to get my nose on these and report back. I'll do as much sharing of things that I get my nose on here on the communities page and of course on Instagram, which actually shares automatically to my Facebook page. So if you're not following me there, please do, to stay up to date with all the fragrances that I'm getting my nose on, and to report to you guys on how they wear and experience and things like that. So let me know your thoughts on Jil Sander fragrances, this new collection. And let me know if you have a favorite Jil Sander fragrance that's still on the market. I want to explore the house further, but it's not easy to get these. I have to blind buy them at the discounters online, and a lot of the discounters don't have everything. And I don't even know what's existing from this house. So once I end up in Austria, I'm hoping I can find this brand there. Or my short time in Germany, I want to explore this collection and some more fragrances from the brand. If there's anything else I should check out in Austria and Germany, do let me know as well. Those brands from the country of Austria, and of course Germany, because there's stuff there that doesn't really end up making it to our neck of the woods. I mean, they make it to most of Europe probably, or most likely, but this brand doesn't come out here much anymore. And I bought my first bottle of Jil Sander, drawing a blank with the name, in New Orleans of all places, way back in 2001. It was the most amazing fragrance that I wore quite a bit of. I bought it from the Saks in that city, and I wore that thing to death, and I ended up with another bottle. I bought 2 bottles there, and one of them was the Jil Sander. So let me know your thoughts on this new Jil Sander exclusive collection of fragrances and which one sounds the best to you. Add a comment below, and stay tuned for another video very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.